Just got my cards in the mail from Release, Repurpose, Reorganize. And it's how to organize your home in 10 minutes. And I'm going to open the package and we're going to see how they look. Okay, I've opened the deck and I was wondering what I would do first. It takes about 10 minutes. And I was looking at it, and the first one on the back of the package is, I think, the first one I'll do. It's your glove compartment in your car. And I'm going to follow the instructions, give it a try, and see how it works out. Okay, pulled the card out, and it is empty the contents, toss any trash, group items, and replace with important papers and a first aid kit. Then we're going to go to my car and give it a try. So here we are. We're going to try the glove box. And as you can see, it's kind of packed full. So we're going to go ahead and pull everything out, reorganize, and put it back in. And here we are. Took about 8 minutes. Papers did not need have been shredded. Papers filed in the office that did not need to be in the car, which left the owner's manual, registration, and insurance card. Fantastic job, and it took me about 8 minutes. Love the product.